Hello from somewhere in Ireland. Today we are going to a very famous place, a tourist attraction in Ireland. It's called as Cliff of Mohar. We are planning to go somewhere out since a very long time. So today, me and my friend, we decided that we'll go to Cliffs of Mohar, and this is my birthday week as well. And I have already got a very good present from my office side. So they're filing my employment permit with the critical skills. Now we have stopped at one of the petrol stations. We are going to just grab a quick coffee and then we'll leave for the Cliffs of Moher, which is almost around 200 kilometers from here. It will take around 2 hours or something.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
So we have reached the spot, the Cliff of Moher, and it's that side of me. So we'll have to walk from here. And here we are in the parking at the moment. So you can either get tickets from here or you can book online. So online it will be a little cheaper. It came around 10 euros for each of us. And from here, if you purchase it, it will be around 12 euros or something. So you can either take it online or you can purchase it from here. And to be honest, it feels so good. It was a long ride. I mean, almost 3 hours from Dublin. But coming over here, coming outside and seeing the location, it's amazing. You can see here we have Wi-Fi as well, restaurants as well, toilets and everything, as what we have been told. So we are heading towards the Cliffs of Moher now, and I'm very excited to see the cliff and the ocean as well.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes. Taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. True passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
If I get work from home from this place, I'll just stay here. I won't go anywhere. The wind is fucking crazy over here. It's very loud, it's very fast. Wow. This place is crazy, seriously.
losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
So now I am in the end point of the north. Ah, wow. I think I should relax for a bit. I've almost covered 3 kilometers uh, from where I was, and now I have to go at least 1 or probably 2 kilometers more. So I feel that I am almost at the southernmost part of the Cliff of Mohar, and I've came here just to make sure that I don't miss anything. Sorry, how is it there over there? How is the feeling?
Beautiful. Beautiful. You're gonna love it, man. Just be careful. It's really
Yeah, yeah.
steep.
Oh wow! I think it is worth coming over here. Yeah. Wow. I have to be careful. That place. There, I think I should be going. There should be a way. Yeah, I think it is. Oh, wow. Oops. Ah, it's so steep from where I am coming. See all these. And I forgot to bring my sunscreen as well. I'm all getting tanned. It was a task coming over here, but look at this. Wow, amazing. There's no one over here. I'm all alone. I've come from that side. See all those people. So there, from there I have come. And yeah, there's an option to go down as well. So I'll try to go down. But seriously, this place is superb. Amazing thing. If this is not the end, then I don't know where the southern part ends. I have tried all my best. It's not possible to go there because there's no way. If I'll go there, then I'll be there and this video won't be coming. So I'll try to keep myself safe and to edit and upload this video so that others can come. So I'm finally back. I just hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Now we are going back, so just subscribe, like, share as much as you can. So let's say bye for today. I'll catch you all in the next vlog. Bye, take care.